Welcome to our channel, where we give you tips and advice on how to live your best life without breaking the bank. Today, we're talking about affordable vacation ideas that will help you save money while still having a great time. Vacations don't have to be expensive. With a little creativity and planning, you can still relax and unwind without worrying about your finances. So let's get started with some affordable vacation ideas. First on the list is a staycation. I know it may sound boring, but hear us out. Look online and see what's around you within driving distance. Consider taking a staycation in your own city or town, or even taking multiple day trips. Explore local attractions, try new restaurants, and enjoy what's around you. Next up is camping. It's an affordable way to get away and enjoy nature. And if you don't like roughing it, try glamping. Some campgrounds have small cabins that are still affordable. If you prefer hitting the road, a road trip might be perfect for you. Sure, flying may get you there faster, but tickets can be expensive. Sometimes packing up the car and driving can be more cost-effective and fun at the same time. Traveling during the off-season is another great way to save money on flights, accommodations, and activities. You'll also avoid the crowds and have a more authentic experience. It's a win-win. House swapping is another option to save money on accommodations. Consider house swapping with friends or using a website like Home Exchange. Finally, look for free activities in your destination, such as hiking, visiting museums on free days, or just going to the beach if you're going somewhere warm. There are always free activities. You just have to do your research. So there you have it, some affordable vacation ideas that will help you save money and still have a great time. Remember, vacations are about relaxation and enjoyment, not about breaking the bank. So start planning your next affordable vacation today and enjoy all the fun and relaxation without worrying about your finances. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.